Use the intermediate value theorem to show that there is a zero or root of the function in the interval -1 0. So to apply intermediate value theorem, we need to show f is continuous in this interval, in fact in closed interval. And we know that this f is a polynomial. That means it's continuous everywhere, all the way -infinity through +infinity. So obviously here. So let's write that f is, this function is continuous on, we need on closed interval here, so -1 through 0, so inclusive, being a polynomial. Now to find a zero, it passes through the x-axis, okay, it intersects the x-axis. All that means, to show that, we need to evaluate the function at the endpoints, at -1 and at 0, and one of them should be positive value and the other should be negative. So let's evaluate f at -1. So all we have to do is plug in here. Okay, so -1 is square +1 minus 2 times -1, +2 minus 2. So this is just 1, which is positive. So this value is above the x-axis. How about f0? Again plug in there. Okay, plug in there and we get 0 minus 0 minus 2, which is -2. That's less than 0. So this value is below the x-axis. And since the function is continuous, that means x passes through the x-axis. That means f has a 0, or in this function, in this interval, sorry. So thus, by the intermediate value theorem, the conclusion holds, or f, the function has a 0 in the open interval -1 0. Final.